David was a litigator, and he became an absolute litigation star at Fulbright and Jaworski.
There's a lot of difference between a trial lawyer and a litigation lawyer. Some handle litigation, David goes to court.
And he was a 1,000-point partner. He was one of the guys walking around the firm that you heard about before you even got there.
The impressive thing about David Beck, and the thing that has made him as successful as he has been in his legal practice, is his amazing intellect. His clients have, as an advocate, an individual who can, in really short order, become as informed and as knowledgeable about any subject matter or any industry as is someone who has been in that industry for their entire professional career.
The way that he approaches his career and the way that he approaches his life, well, I think he epitomizes what I admire the most about the legal profession.
When the bright lights come on, when the heat goes up, David does not blink. And so for those with the Beth Forum case, David is one of the go-to guys, not only in Texas, but the nation.
At the same time that he was launching a law firm and representing high-powered clients in high-stakes lawsuits, he was also serving as president of the State Bar of Texas, traveling around the state, giving speeches, writing articles.
If I started reading the list of awards that David Beck has received, you'd be delayed in your dinner tonight. He's been president of so many organizations, including State Bar of Texas, American College of Trial Lawyers, and a number of others. And this is indicative of the way the other peers that he has feel about him. He's contributed to a number of law journals. He's written a book on legal malpractice. He's been recognized and appointed by Justice Roberts to the Supreme Court Committee on Rules.
All lawyers have a group of lawyers that they personally respect, and I call it kind of your personal Mount Rushmore, and David is on my personal Mount Rushmore of lawyers. He's that much of an example to me personally and to the profession.
I have the amazing opportunity to have worked with David for almost 3 decades now in his capacity providing service to both of his alma maters.
The law school opened opportunities for us more than maybe any other experience in our lives. And I've heard David talk about what it's meant to him.
David's volunteer efforts on behalf of higher education is now legendary. He has been a major part of higher education in the state of Texas for almost 3 decades now.
David Beck lives a life of generosity. And yes, that is financial support for institutions and community organizations that matter to him, but it's also the generosity of his time.
You would hope when you have a really wonderful lawyer that they are also good citizens and they value their contribution to their communities and to their state and this country. And David is certainly excellent in that respect. That is one of his most wonderful qualities.
David brought to the table his perspective, his understanding of the different points of view of the many students that populate so many of our institutions, and he was able to refine the decisions and the guidance that the Board of Regents gave to these institutions to make sure that we impacted all of those students equally.
David, thank you so much for your service and your commitment to the UT system throughout your career. You have given so much to the people of Texas by investing your time, your resources into important issues like higher education.
Congratulations, David, on this well-earned recognition, a Lifetime Achievement Award that recognizes not only your achievements in the legal profession, but your lifetime of commitment to bettering your community and your state and your nation.
Receiving a Lifetime Achievement Award is something, in my view, that's long overdue. Well done, my friend.
It's a marvelous recognition of all that you have done as a lawyer, as a good citizen. So thank you for that. It's a gift.
The state of Texas is better off thanks to your tireless work. From one Longhorn to another, congratulations on this remarkable achievement, and thank you for representing the very best of Texas. And hook 'em horns.
When you help people that need help, And you see how they react to that. I mean, they're so thankful. And to me, that's what really makes being a lawyer worthwhile. And that's all part of being, I think, a professional in the state of Texas.